When it comes to starting your own AI automation agency, there are multiple niches that you can choose. There are multiple alleys that you can go down. And so in this video, I'm going to give you the four best niches that you could be going towards or going after if you're getting into the AI automation. Okay. So the best AI niches in 2024. First things first, before you get into the niches, the one thing that you have to realize is when you choose a niche, you have to solve people's problems. The biggest problems people have in AI is that businesses and agencies need help growing their business using AI. So you can be the person that either goes after businesses or you can go after individuals. Depending on what type of service you want to sell, depending on what type of automation you want to sell, you have to understand that you can either go towards agencies or you can go towards businesses. Okay. Number two, business owners want to make more money, but stress less. Anybody that has a business, anybody that has, employees, anybody that has, people that they have to manage and take care of, there are a lot of steps that go into it. There are a lot of those, like there's a lot of things that have to go right for the company to succeed. So if you're somebody who's going and targeting business owners, you have to understand that not only do they want to make money, but they want to reduce their stress. So if you give them an AI product that, sends more emails or gets them more clients, helps them set more appointments, helps them post more content, or it could be something as simple as it helps them save more time, it helps them with the customer service, it helps the customers answer more questions, whatever it is. At the end of the day, they want to make more money and they want to stress. So when they stress less and they make more money, they're willing to pay you some of those profits. That's why the AI automation agency could be so powerful. Okay. People want their customers to be happy. Okay. So at the end of the day, kind of like I said, you could be selling services where you're going to people and saying, hey, I understand that, you have a company and your company sells shoes, socks, clothes. These are the type of things that your customers do. When people come to your website, that's how they interact. A chatbot will increase your sales by 13%. A voice assistant, when someone calls, will improve your sales by 20%. And adding or getting a conversion form that, automates emails, leads, appointment setting is going to increase sales by 20%. So by literally implementing three forms of AI, you can save a business 80% more money, 80% more time, 80% less stress. Okay. So when it comes to the top niches, these are the top four. These are the top four. It says five, but there's four, right? So you can create kind of like I said, chatbots. When it comes to customer service, if you're dealing with customers, you can create chatbots for businesses. The chatbot can answer customers' questions and even create employee trainings, automation. Meaning the chatbot could be something that where if they're hiring a new employee, the chatbot could, teach them what they have to, give them the videos, give them the modules, and then when they get to the next stage, it sends them to another link, and then it pretty much keeps track of their progress, keeps track of their data, and you can have a chatbot literally help with the hiring, or you can have a chatbot help with the training. But the reason why chatbots are so useful when it comes to AI automation is because the chatbots are good for customer service. Kind of like I said, the chatbot will answer questions. The chatbots are good at storing information. A website doesn't gain more information as it goes, but chatbots do. Chatbot gets smarter. Chatbots get better. And they start to understand customers' behavior, so they can start to recommend products or solve people's problems. They can sit there and answer, questions that people frequently ask. Okay. The next one is pretty much AI implementation. Then the reason why this is so good is because you can use it for things like company niches. The second niche is company audits, meaning company audits is where you can go to a company and say, hey, I'm willing to go through your whole company, see how you guys work, see how you guys get customers, see how you guys cash out, see how you guys pay people, and I'm willing to see all the ways that I can automate your business. And what you do is you pretty much audit businesses and give them a list of automations that they can implement. So you go to them and you say, hey, like I said, I can figure out all the things that you're doing right, all the things that you can do automated. Meaning if you're hiring people, it's taking too long, if you're answering phone calls, it's taking too long, or if you're having too much turnover, whatever it is. I know you're the person that's an AI expert, AI guru. So you go and you say, I have all these platforms that I could give you, all these implementations that we can implement that's gonna help you make money, you save on stress, reduce cost. Because at the end of the day, like I said, business people want to make more money. Business people want to reduce their stress. So you pretty much the thing about the audit is like I said, you're going through their business and you're just giving them a bunch of AI tools that they're willing to pay for because like I said, most businesses want to use AI and want to implement AI, but they don't want to learn about it. They don't want to go and look at the lectures. They don't want to watch the videos. They don't want to read about it. They don't want to look at the blogs, right? Because they're already doing a lot of other stuff. So you can automate the process for them or just give them tools that they can use to get started themselves. Okay. When it comes to the niches, you could do the marketing and sales niche, right? What you can do is you can lead generation and appointment set for people. You can use AI to help people get more clients. You can use AI to help people get more appointments. You can use AI to help people get more leads. The reason why it's so important is because you can help businesses get their product or service in front of potential customers through automations, meaning You can automate the whole process. You can send an email or a DM to 1,000 people a day, to where even if 200 people, even if 100 people buy, that's 100 people that are guaranteed to buy. You can automate the emails to where you can have an email list of people who are going to read your newsletters, come to your webinars, and when you send when you send an email, when you send a newsletter, they're actually going to do whatever it is that the newsletter is supposed to do. So you can use it for marketing and sales, because at the end of the day, like I said, you can market the product by automating the lead generation, by, like I said, getting them more clients, by helping them be discovered, and that overall is going to help them get more sales. It's going to help people buy their product. It's going to help people buy their service. So this is going to be helping them, and all you have to do is pretty much automate the process. Kind of like I said, there are web scrapers like Bargoon that will literally let you send 1,000 emails a day, every day of the year, and you can have 300,000 emails sent by the end of the year. And like I said, even if 10,000 people apply, 20,000 people, those are people who are potentially going to buy your product. And so if you have 10,000 people, paying you 1,500, that's a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, you can, like I said, market and get into marketing and sales by automating things like lead generation and appointment setting, right? Last one is the AI automations hosting, right? You can charge a retainer fee just to be the AI consultant, just to be the AI guy. Sometimes people want a team and they just want to pay you. They just treat you like an employee. People can pay you, whether it's 1,500 a month, 1,200 a month, to simply just be like an extra employee. Pretty much, you're like that employee that's like, hey, whatever questions you have, you can call me anytime. You can hop on a Zoom call. Pretty much like they're gonna pay you for your time and service. It might not be anything specific, but they might just pay you for, advice. The person might just be like, hey, I bought the service and I need you to help me with this. Or you're like, oh, I'm trying to do an audit, but I learned all the I got all the tools that I needed, but I need you to help me, implement them. I need you to help me train my employees or whatever it is. But you're pretty much hosting the freaking the AI the person's service. So whatever service it is, once you sell a client, you get them to pay you more and often. So whenever the person is like pays you, whenever the person buys a service from you, you can simply just have them pay you a retainer fee, meaning they'll pay you 1,200 a month just to sit there and answer questions, just to sit there and help them with whatever it is they need. And like I said, at the end of the day, it's going to be very beneficial. Okay, so those are the four things that the four niches that you can go after. If you have any questions, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.